Okay, so this is the fourth video, and this is a topic which a lot of people struggle with. So we're going to take this one a little bit slower, and it's just solving simple equations. So if we have a look at the first one here, we've got 3 lots of n plus 4, and that's equal to 19. Now, what this means is that I'm thinking of a number, which I'm going to call n, 3 lots of that number, then add 4, and I get to 19. So algebraically, the first thing we do is we get rid of this plus or minus thing that's on the end here. So the opposite of plusing 4 is taking away 4. So what we do is we take away 4 from the other side, and we take away this 4, which leaves us with 15. Now, that's the thing that a lot of people struggle with. Why do you take away 4? Because it says plus 4. And there's sort of things that you can do to try and remember it. We always do the opposite to the other side. But also, if you think about covering that up. So I've got 3n plus 4 equals 19. And let's just cover this up here. So whatever's behind this red splodge here, at 4 must equal 19. So something plus 4 is 19. That something here must be 15. So that red splodge must be 15. Now that red splodge, the thing that we covered up, was this thing. So we've got 3n equals 15. So if we've got 3n equals 15, then that means 3 lots of my number is 15. So 3 lots of 10 is 30, so it's less than 10. 3 lots of 2 is 6, so it's got to be more than 6. And so if we divide by 3, we've got n equals 5. Make that look more like a 5. So n equals 5. So let's have a look at the next one. The next one is 3n minus 2 equals 16. So again, what we've got to do is we've got to get rid of this plus or minus thing. So let's get rid of the minus 2. So if we were to cover up that 3n with a splodge, so something take away 2 makes 16. So we do the opposite, and we get 18. So again, we could either do the splodge thing and think that 18 take away 2 is 16, or we could do the opposite to the other side. So we add 2 onto this, and we get 18. It's completely up to you. There's no one correct way to remember it, but as long as you remember that that's the process that you've got to do, that's the main thing. So we've got 3n's equaling 18, and so now what we've got to do is work out what 1n is. So if 3n's are 18, divide that by 3, and you've got 1n equaling 6. Okay, so now it's your turn. Like I said, I was taking a little bit more time over it, but now it's up to you to give it a go. So we've got 2 questions. We've got 6n plus 5 equals 35, and we've got 5n minus 3 equals 7. So now if you want to use this time to pause the video so that you can have a go at it, and then what I'll do is I'll talk through the answers. Okay, so let's go through the answers, having given you enough time to pause it. So the first one was 6n plus 5 equals 35. So again, think about that splodge method. Something plus 5 must make 35. So that must make that 6n 30. Or if you just took away 5 to get rid of the plus 5, we end up with 6n is 30. So if 6n's are 30, 1n, 6 lots of something makes 30, so that something must be 5. And to make sure that you get the mark, you could always do n equals 30 divided by 6, which equals 5, just in case you make a mistake. But either way, that's the answer I'm hoping that you'd have got. Okay, next question was 5n minus 3 equals 7. So again, something take away 3 is 7, so that 5n, that thing behind this imaginary splodge, must be 10. Or, if you want to do it the other way, to get rid of the minus 3, we add it onto the other side, so we add 3 on. So I've got 5 lots of my number is 10, and we know that 5 lots of 2 is 10, so n must equal 2. Again, thanks so much for watching. I hope you got them right, and please, 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 if you could subscribe and share. See if we can get as many people doing these videos as possible. Thank you so much.